Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove video sticker from your TikTok profile. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can open our TikTok application. And after we have our TikTok application opened, we can go to our profile. You can click on this profile icon. Then if you want to remove the video sticker from your profile, you can go to the sticker section. And this are the video stickers on my TikTok. I'm going to remove one of them. We can click on the video sticker we want to delete. Then we can simply click on delete, and after that the video sticker will be removed from our TikTok profile. As you can see that now the video sticker has been removed, and that's how we can remove video sticker from our TikTok profile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.